Alright guys, before I start this video, I wanted to bring to light something that I found out recently. A YouTuber that I watch a lot that I've mentioned in more than one of my videos, Carolina Man, has passed away on February, I think, 26th of congested heart failure. I just wanted to take a moment of silence as my respects towards a man that was very inspirational to me. So, just give it a minute and maybe go check out some of his videos. I do believe his son is still going to continue the channel. And yeah, I don't know. Alright, yeah. Let's get on with the video. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. This is Sean from NOVATazz with CHEVY from Twizted Nation. Today we are going to stuff that transmission underneath this truck. So first off, we have to button up the bottom of the transmission, filter, oil pan, and then we'll start getting it up in the truck, and hopefully we'll have this truck back together. I can't say it'll move today, but it'll at least be back together by the time we are done today. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put this oil filter on. It's just 3 bolts. This is the 3-bolt style. Yes, this one should actually have the 2 bolts, but the valve body on this is older, so we're going to go with the filter that belongs to this valve body. So he's going to, Chevy's going to put this on real quick. Thank God for editing. Alrighty, and we'll put the pan on now. Alright, transmission is ready to go underneath the truck. We're going to slide it in up on top of the jack and get it up in there. Oh my God, what a bitch. Alright, let's get this back on the jack and back underneath the truck again. Oh, well, I don't have to do that again. Alright, back in a minute.
run the bolts up and through, and then we'll start working on the transfer case. Alright, I'll get back with you when we got more. There you have it. Twice in a row. Do not drop that on your head. Slightly down. Nuts. Alright, we have managed to get the transmission in, the transfer case, cross member. We still have the drive shafts to do and to hook up all the little stupid stuffs. But it's getting late and we need to get heading home. So this is where we'll leave it and we'll pick up on it next time.
Well, there you have it. The transmission and transfer case are up in the truck. Hopefully I will be back to the truck shortly to button up the rest of it. If you happen to like the channel and want to support it, remember we do have merchandise up on Teespring, first link in the description below. Please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and until then, see you next time.